Hey guys, I'm Stu. This is my 1970 Volkswagen Notchback. I am completely unskilled and I am going to try and build a rat rod, and I really don't give a shit. I've got really crappy equipment, and all I'm going to do is show you how someone who has no idea about panel beating or painting or anything like that can basically bring some shit old car, which I absolutely love by the way, back to life. So I've got no intentions of making this thing a street machine or a show car. It's just purely getting it back to drivable and looking pretty rad, nice and low. It's got a really good engine in it apparently, so it's got no windows or anything in it yet. It's got bulk amounts of rust in the seat pillars. And yeah, I'm going to show you basically how somebody with no skills whatsoever can have a crack at bringing something like this back to life, and hope you stay tuned and check it out until the end. Volkswagen Notchback behind me here. It's got a fair bit of rust in it. It needs a lot of work, and what I'm going to be doing is just putting together a bit of a video blog of every time I'm up here, just what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, and yeah, sort of give you a bit of a start to finish type thing if you're interested. Day one I got the thing and put it in here. This morning I've come up and I've basically just pulled those front two bars off, those two front guards off, put it up on ramps, and I'm just now starting the rust restoration side of things. So I'm not very good at it, but I don't know, I suppose you just get better and better every time you're doing it. So I've just cut out a piece here which I'm gonna be welding a new plate back in. I'm gonna be treating all that rust as well with a rust converter. Then probably I don't know, after I've welded it all in, I'll oil the shit out of it as well. So yeah, so basically every day that I come up here, I'm just going to make sure I do one job, get one thing at least completed from start to finish. So I'm Stu, this is my Notch, 1970 Notch, and I'm going to be doing this girl up.
Skippy where the sun beats down from the sky. They give it up and they give it up and they give it up, but they never ask why. Daddy was a rolling stone. Oh, he rolled away one day and he never came home. It ain't hard.
So this section here in this quarter panel was pretty badly rusted. It had sort of holes all the way through here. Obviously the water had got inside here and had been escaping through its port. So what we've done, just cut that section out. Looks like pretty strong, thick metal. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be welding a plate into that place, making sure it's all nice and strong. So yeah, it doesn't happen again, and making sure this this drainage port here is in good nick. So I haven't gone too berserk here. I've just cut through one skin, and as you can see, it's looking pretty good. The cancer hasn't grown too much through there, so that'll easily just be rubbed back and treated, and yeah, it should be good for 20 years. So I've pretty much discovered everything that we need to look at in this panel. This is my front left-hand panel. I've ground the paint off of these trim holes here because I don't like trim, chrome trim, all that type of stuff. Yeah, I reckon it looks shit, but some people love it. And then we've got this section here. That section I've cut out. This was alright, previous repair, not too bad. And there was one little piece just in here, so I'm just going to put a plate behind that. Still pretty thick metal, so it should be fine. But apart from that, come up pretty good actually. It's going to be a nice panel. I actually have no idea, no plan of what I'm going to do with this thing yet. I'm just fixing rust. That's all I'm doing. Once I've fixed the rust, I suppose I'll look at the suspension. That front end, the front end's actually 40 mil off the ground with the wheels on it at the moment. Then we'll do this inside section here, and then this bit of rust here, and this panel will be finished. And that'll be job number 1 done. Should we go clockwise, anti-clockwise? I don't know. But yeah, like I said, I've got no idea what I'm going to do. Is it going to be a low rider? Are we going to put bags on it? Is it going to be a Baja? You know, maybe I'll jack it up and put bloody 33s on it. Who knows? At the moment, it's just fixing rust. So there's the driver's side guard. From the inside, looks pretty good. But someone's had a good crack at this guard. When I say a good crack, I mean a crack, but it's not really good. So it's got some decent rust up here. So yeah, this one's going to be a full patch job. Camera makes it look heaps worse than it actually is. This is just the stabilizer bar here, which we'll rip out and replace anyway. Yeah, it's actually pretty good. Solid guard, feels good. See, we've still got paint in it. Yep, I sweat a lot. So this is the worst panel rust that we've got here. So what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to cut it here, along here, down here, and try and make up a plate exactly like that. And then cut this out and measure it up, make the plate, weld it in, and it should be as good as gold. But like I said, I'm no panel beater, but we'll have a crack. Can't be too hard. So I've been using these PFERD Germany flappers, and they're shit. I haven't really done that much work, and they're already, you know, down to full smooth as silk, just polishing level now. See the sheen on them. Yeah, crap. So I'm gonna get some more, get some different ones. Not sure what grit they were, but yeah, I mean, just that little bit of grinding that I've done today, they're totally shagged. Two discs.